Sis Josie, it's that time of year again, but before anything else, I'm Katie, and on behalf of Rodi's Adventures, we want to extend our greetings to you for your channel's 4th monetization anniversary. Yan, 4 years na palang monetized ang channel. And it's a good thing that it's still okay up to now. Talagang nag-ingat-ingat para hindi matanggal ang $sign. So, anyway, even without Richard here beside me, talagang we are proud to have met you, and we're happy na nandiyan ka lagi, nag-help sa WH pag may time ka, ganyan, nanonood ng mga ganap pag may time ka. So, thank you so much. Andito lang din naman kami whenever we have time to help out with your channel's stats that you need. Alright, salamat din sa pagpapa-member mo sa channel namin, at yan, members tayo ng mga channels yan, as we support each other. So anyway, we wish you more growth for your channel. Yan, enjoy ka lang din dyan, kaka-LS mo araw-araw. Hindi na papagod. At kung kami may time lang din lahat na bisita mo, nandyan lang din naman kami. Kung hindi makachat masyado, di naka-BG. Alam na this, alam na. So anyway, thank you so much, and a happy 4th monetization anniversary, sis Josefina Adame 18. Yeah, that's a channel name. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Napaka-supportive yan siya. And also, advanced Merry Christmas to you. And pasensya ha, medyo may sipon. Actually, maraming sipon. Hindi lang masyado obvious. Anyway, we'll see you again, and we'll see you around. Enjoy your day. Bye!